Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth Keyboard Review, Best Priced Gaming Keyboard. Work Rift. The new Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth Keyboard is a high-end peripheral. Its affordability, impressive connectivity, and quality make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming experience. Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth Keyboard is a sleek, compact keyboard with a handy touchpad. It has a stylish design and is super lightweight. You can use it as an external mouse, or as a wireless keyboard for your laptop or desktop computer. The Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth keyboard is a great keyboard for both Android and iOS devices. It connects very easily to all three devices, and has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you never have to worry about finding an outlet. For those of you that travel a lot, the Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth keyboard is an absolute must-have. So, if you need to quickly get in and out of your phone, this keyboard is the one for you. The GK89 Bluetooth keyboard is one of the best keyboards in its price range. It looks great, has an excellent design, and it's incredibly comfortable to use. It works by pairing with the corresponding device using Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. Motospeed GK89 Bluetooth keyboard is one of the best mechanical keyboards in the market. It is comfortable to use, easy to install, and comes with all the features that are found in high-end gaming keyboards. The GK89 is a Bluetooth keyboard that pairs with your Android phone or tablet. It is a full-sized keyboard, and it connects wirelessly to your device via Bluetooth. It has all the features you would expect from a quality keyboard, and it's super easy to use. It connects to your computer with ease, and it also has a number of shortcuts, which makes it very simple to navigate your computer without even having to look at the screen.